Today we are going to discuss about the competition of Boeing and Airbus. Okay, they both were intended to make the best aircraft in the world. The Boeing company introduced the 787, while Airbus introduced the A330neo. Yeah. The company Airbus collaborated with Rolls-Royce and made the A350. The A350 contained three variants: the A350-800, the A350-900, and the A350-1000. The A350-1000 is a brand new aircraft released in May of 2024. It's powered by Rolls-Royce's XWB engines and by twin engine. It's a twin engine aircraft. It took its first test flight in 2010 and its first commercial flight with Air France. It's proven that Airbus is the most modern aircraft in the aviation history. Yeah. And it stopped the competition with Boeing. But however, Boeing will make another aircraft. Yeah. The Airbus will soon make the A350neo. And thank you.